Okay, so doing number 2 now, we're going to list our A, B, and C again. So my A is 1. My B is my second coefficient, so negative 11. And my C is 18. Now I see that 18 is positive. Since 18 is positive, we're looking for a sum. And since we are looking for a sum, we're going to have the same sign as our B term. So my B term is negative. So I'm going to have 2 negatives because my B term is negative. And the only way for you to add 2 numbers and get a negative is for you to add 2 negatives. All right, so let's fill in my butterfly. I have A times C, so 1 times 18. And then on either side I have 1x and 1x. And on the bottom I have negative 11. 1 times 18 gives me 18. So now I'm going to come over here and I'm going to list my factors of 18, all of them. So I tend to do 1 and 18. Never forget the 1 and 18. The next one I have is 2 and 9. And then 3 and 6. And 4 doesn't work and 5 doesn't work. And so now I'm back at 6. And since I'm back at 6, I have all my factors. That's how you know you have them all. Okay, so now I need to figure out which one of these adds to be 11. So 1 plus 18 gives me 19, so that doesn't work. 2 plus 9, that gives me 11. And 3 plus 6, that gives me 9, so that doesn't work. But 2 plus 9, that one gives me 11. So I'm going to go ahead and fill my 2 and my 9. But if I add those two together, I get positive 11. I need them to be negative so that when I add them together, I get negative 11. And there we go. That is those are my factors right there. So when I write my answer, I write them as 2 quantities. So 1x minus 2, or x minus 2 is fine, and 1x minus 9. So you could also write this as x minus 2 and x minus 9. Either one. And that's my answer. Now it's your turn to try it. Try it out.